Hello, welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's go. We start with the head, like this. Just a rough shape of her head. You can follow the examples on the screen, and Zoey's signature bangs. This is what makes her Zoey. And the strand of hair on the side, like so. Then the ear and the earring. Both are simple circular shape. Then the strand of hair on the other side. Then the hair on the back of her head, which is just following the shape of her head. You can add some details with a couple of lines. And now the bun. The bun is quite complicated to draw, so to make it easy, I just draw a bunch of circles together like this. It looks good enough. Now for the eyes, start with a circle for each and two smaller circles beside it. Then a big circle around each eye to make a cute anime eye. There you have it. The nose and mouth is also simple, and the eyebrows is the same as other characters in the series, is just a simple crescent shape like the moon. And now we're done with the head. Let's move on to her neck and the strap for her dress, like so. And next is the shape of her arm and the fingers. And the other arms and fingers as well. Drawing fingers can be hard if you're just learning to draw, but don't worry about it. Do it over time. You'll get better. You'll get good at it. Now we can draw the shape of her dress like this. And just a bit of her tummy. And add some of the bigger details on her dress. The smaller details we'll add later to some of the bigger details. Next is the shape of her skirt, like so. And her legs. The rough shape is basically done. The rough shape is basically done. Sorry about that. Now all we need to do is add the details. I follow this example here that you can see on the screen, but you can add your own details if you want. Just be creative, express yourself. And now the belt, like this. The buckle. And the rest of it. and add the details, the smaller details of her skirt. Again, you can follow me, or you can add your own detail, express yourself if you want. Now, to give her a cute anime look, I'm going to color her eyes with a marker like so. Just carefully around the circles on the inside. Be careful not to cross the line. We want the smaller circle to be wide, but it's a bit hard when you're using the marker. So what we're going to do is we're going to use just a dab of paint later to make the eyes shine. But before that, we're going to use the marker to make the outline of a drawing. Start with the head and the hair because that's the most complicated part. Simpler, but you still need to be careful. Down to her neck and the other arms and the legs. And just a little white paint, like I said, to give the shiny anime look, the kawaii look that you want. And just a bit more. Oh, I'm running out of paint. And that's it. A very cute Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. I forgot to add the eyelashes. Yeah, just give a bit of eyelashes around her eyes. Cute little bendy triangles, I call it. And that's it.